The racial wealth gap in this country is staggering, but income levels are rising and there are more opportunities than ever before to chip away at that gap. And one opportunity is to deepen awareness and understanding of how to use wealth building tools like life insurance. And joining me now is Prudential financial expert ShirleyAnn Robertson for Life Insurance Awareness Month. And ShirleyAnn, how important is life insurance in a comprehensive financial plan?
So first, thanks for having me. And yes, life insurance is very important. You know, I'm some 30 plus years in the financial services industry, and the number one question I ask is if you were to die today, would anyone suffer financially due to your death? If your answer to that question is yes, then absolutely you need life insurance. So is it that you're a single parent raising young children, or you have aging parents that you're caring for financially, or you are the higher earner within your relationship? So those are absolutely the reasons why you need life insurance. Yet some 41% of individuals either have no insurance or don't have enough. Yet we spend more time insuring our cars, our homes, our cell phones than we do insuring ourselves.
So ShirleyAnn, at what age should people consider purchasing life insurance? Are you ever too young or too old?
You're never too young, you're never too old. Now is the time to get it. But let's be realistic. How many young folks think about life insurance? Not many. So in those scenarios, I welcome you getting as much life insurance as you can through your employer. Now, as we get to more seasoned folks like myself, yes, still get the life insurance. But now, as you've gotten older, you have more responsibilities. You've got the mortgage, you've got the credit card debt, you've got scenarios where we need to have some life insurance outside your company as well. Now, that's where we have the one-on-one conversation to look at your budget. And based on your budget, based on your protection needs, we find the right plan that fits your family dynamics.
Most people think of life insurance as kind of a safety net for final expenses. How can policyholders benefit from having life insurance while they're still living?
So life insurance has evolved over the years. It's no longer just a death benefit. It's actually a living benefit. So I'll use myself in that scenario where I have various layers of life insurance that protect me. So the first layer of protection that I have says that if I'm terminally ill, or if I'm confined to a nursing home or a critical illness, the death benefit can be paid to me while I'm living. My next layer of protection says that if I have a scenario where I pass away too soon, I'm the key person of my company. So let's make sure dollars are paid to my partner so that my partner continues the company. My third layer of protection is paid into my trust. And the trust has very specific instructions that my trustee is going to follow. So I'm controlling that money from the grave. And then the fourth part of my overall protection is making sure I have cash value so that I can access money now as well as in my retirement. So I've given you sort of scenarios where life insurance has evolved. It's no longer just a death benefit. It's absolutely a living benefit for you to enjoy dollars while you are living today.
Are there different types of life insurance or types of benefits that are most important when you're thinking about life insurance as, say, an investment for wealth building?
So, you know, term insurance, whole life insurance, variable index. So this is where consumers can get a bit overwhelmed. So this is the time to have that one-on-one conversation with me. So I can look at your unique situation and give you the recommendation. We look at your budget. We look at what you want to protect because, you know, the key is making sure that you have life insurance when you need it. It's not if something's going to happen, it's when, and when it does, will your family be protected?
Where can we go to learn more?
I want you to go to www.prudential.com where you can locate me as well as my other colleagues, as well as seeing some of the financial calculators that we have on the site so you can sort of look through, plug in your numbers to see what's going on in your finances, and then please reach out to me so we can have that conversation and make sure that your financial security is set. Because again, it's not if something's going to happen, it's when. And when it does, will your family be protected?
ShirleyAnn, thanks so much for sharing this information with us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.